Welcome to our Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA Fees overview. This training will discuss fulfillment fees, monthly inventory storage fees, long-term storage fees, removal and disposal order fees. FBA is a great way to grow your business and reach more customers. To make the most of this service, it's important to understand the fees associated with FBA. Let's look at a few different types, starting with fulfillment fees. Fulfillment fees are per-unit fees for picking, packing, and shipping items to customers. Fulfillment fees are charged when a customer order is shipped and vary depending on an item's size and weight. Another FBA fee to consider is the monthly inventory storage fee. Monthly inventory storage fees are based on the amount of space your inventory occupies in fulfillment centers. This is an important factor to consider when determining how much inventory to send to Amazon. Monthly inventory storage fees will vary based on the daily average volume of space your inventory occupies in fulfillment centers and product size tier. Monthly inventory storage fees are charged monthly, typically between the 7th and 15th day of the month. If your inventory is stored for more than 365 days, you'll also be charged a monthly long-term storage fee in addition to monthly inventory storage fees. Inventory age is calculated on a first-in, first-out basis across the entire fulfillment network. When your items are sold or removed, they're deducted from the inventory that has been in FBA the longest, regardless of which unit was shipped or removed. For example, if a fulfillment center associate picks and ships a unit that arrived to the fulfillment center recently, that unit will still be deducted from the oldest inventory you have in stock. Long-term storage fees are assessed with a monthly inventory snapshot and typically charged between the 18th and 22nd of each month. To avoid long-term storage fees on slow-selling inventory, you have the option of creating a removal order to have items returned to you, your warehouse, your supplier, or your distributor. You also have the option of creating a disposal order to request that Amazon dispose of items in your FBA inventory that may be expired, defective, or unsellable. When a removal or disposal order is created, you'll be charged a per-item fee based on an item's shipping weight. These fees are charged once an order is complete. They typically take about 14 business days to process. Depending on the time of year, like holiday seasons or peak removal periods, processing may take up to 30 business days. For more information on FBA fees, search for Selling on Amazon Fees Guide in Seller Central. This concludes our FBA Fees overview. Thank you for partnering with us, and happy selling in the Amazon store.